Hi, I'm Dr. Ravneet. I'm an orthodontist and Invisalign specialist. So, Invisalign is a buzzword in orthodontic treatment. It has revolutionized the entirety of what we orthodontists do and how the patient journey has changed for good during the course of orthodontic treatment. Let's talk about clear aligners like Invisalign and what role do they play in the orthodontic treatment journey of the patient. The next big question that comes in the mind of patient is, am I the right candidate for Invisalign or should I go with braces treatment? I must tell you, Invisalign, like clear aligners, as I said, they have revolutionized the orthodontic treatment. So whatever braces can do, Invisalign can certainly do. All kinds of bad bites, pesky gaps, jetting out teeth, rabbit-like teeth, इन सब का करेक्शन अगर ब्रेसेस कर सकते हैं तो aligners like Invisalign can definitely do. So yes, you are the right candidate for clear aligners like Invisalign, and the only con is if you don't wear your aligners, then the treatment might fail. So what you have to do is just wear your aligners and see the smile changing for good. There are 3 C's which are associated with the aligner treatment. It's convenience, comfort, and confidence. You will not know when the treatment will get over. Nobody can see the aligners. They are absolutely invisible. So this is the biggest advantage of choosing aligners over braces. Then, is it painful? No, it is not painful. It just takes 2 or 3 days for you to get used to your new set of trays. जब आप एक बार used to हो जाते हैं तो the forces, the pressure from the aligners to the teeth reduces and then it's a cakewalk. It's an easy journey. Definitely a better journey than braces, and it is much more hygienic as a system. So yes, it is a very clean system. You can remove the aligner, brush your teeth. Remove the aligner, have your food. So eating, there is no restriction. Brushing, there is no restriction, which was the biggest disadvantage with braces. Invisalign, like clear aligners, take care of all of it. That's the beauty of Invisalign. You wear your aligners and it will give you the best smile without anyone noticing it. The next question that comes in everyone's mind is, what are the instructions that need to be followed with Invisalign? The first instruction is related to the wear time. आपको अपने सक्सेसफुल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, स्मूथ ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आइडियली अलाइनर्स 18 to 22 आवर्स पर डे पहनने चाहिए. So that includes your nighttime wear also. So while you are sleeping, the aligners should be in your mouth. And in the daytime, apart from having your food and brushing, you should keep the aligners on for effective treatment. So 18 to 22 hours every day for 7 days per aligner is the protocol for aligner wear. The next question is, can I eat with my aligners or can I drink with my aligners? I would say it's not a good idea to eat or drink with the aligners, because if you are going to have some sugary drink, it stays in your mouth, it can lead to cavities. So it fails the purpose of hygienic appliance. तो better है कि आप except for water और कुछ भी aligners के साथ मत लें, otherwise वो aligners को stain भी करेगा and it can lead to unnecessary damages to your aligner. Also, what to expect once my aligner treatment is over? Once your aligner treatment gets over, retainer protocol is very important. To hold those teeth in place, you have to have retainers. What we suggest is to wear your aligners in the night time for a lifetime if you want to have a perfectly aligned teeth for a lifetime. How to clean your aligners? Cleaning of the aligners is very simple. Every day, आप अपने जब teeth को brush करते हैं, it's a good idea to brush your aligner also with soapy water. So morning and evening, you can just brush your aligner when you brush your teeth also. And in between, जब भी आप intermediate snacking करते हैं, so you can just rinse your aligner under running water. That's going to keep your aligner nice and clean. There are cleaning tablets also which you can use and dip your aligner in that for 3 to 5 minutes. That should also keep your aligner nice and clean. What to expect when your aligner treatment gets over? Retainer wear is more important than the treatment itself. So remember, if you have retainers in place, only then will your teeth stay in place. Retainer protocol basically it starts immediately after the treatment gets over. Removable or fixed दोनों तरह के retainers आते हैं. So you can just check with your orthodontist what suits you the best. The removable retainer, we say wear it for a night time, for a lifetime, for the results to stay forever. So yes, retainer wear is very, very important for a successful orthodontic treatment. One very important factor जो आपको decision लेने में help करता है whether to go with the conventional braces system या to pick good quality aligners like Invisalign, and that is the cost. So I can tell you that the cost of aligners is totally based on your treatment need. आपको 6 months का treatment चाहिए, 1 year का treatment चाहिए या 2 year का treatment requirement है. Based on that, there is a range for clear aligner treatment. So clear aligners can roughly start at 50,000 and something like Invisalign can go up to 2 lakhs also. So I think it's a better idea to have a word with your doctor and check for your treatment cost. So this is all about Invisalign. I hope you liked the video and I hope it will answer most of your questions regarding Invisalign treatment. Still, if you have any more queries, I'll be happy to answer them. Please drop your comments in the comment section. And yes, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.